How to add black screen in CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Open CapCut. Then simply get over with this add. I am relaunching it because the ad won't go away. You can do the same. Sometimes ads can be very nagging. So go to the edit section, go to new project, or you can also use an existing one, and add it. Then let's split this from here. Now if you want this to be created a black screen, all you have to do is move this clip to the upper portion. Since I cannot do it because this is a mobile form, but if you do it in your computer, you will be easily able to do it. So yeah, it will create a black screen. But another alternative for a mobile is you can just add a black picture. As you can see, I have this black screen in my video, so add this in between and you will be getting a black screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.